Hi guys, today we are back and today we're playing Jailbreak. As you know, it's like a popular game by Vadimo. Change my character. Let's get a pickpocket. Is there any pickpocket guy? Not a pickpocket guy. Pickpocket. Do you really think they're gonna get there? I don't think so. So guys, we're back and today, yeah, we are back and dinner. You escaped. It said dinner and then it said you escaped. Run home. Bacon hair too. Okay, get some guns. This car. Oh, that's a lag. Back in the lanes. You ready? Oh, UFO is gone. UFO is gone. I wonder. Wait, is there any police if check? Guys. Not you guys. Let's check if there's any police. Or like move you guys. Me and then let's check. Only 4 catching hundreds of people. Hundreds of guys, boy. Let's go. Police officer. Police officer. Give you. Oh, that was close one. Let's get on. Let me move you guys. Let's get. Spawn a jeep. The guy was trying to shoot me. The guy was trying to shoot me. Spawn a jeep. What? See what police is like. Because my gun is gonna get them. My gun is gonna get them. What happened? Oh, looks like he came out. Oh, awesome. Let's go back in. Not a shaken. It's new. Thank free admin. Oh my god. Earn Robux? Earn Robux. Earn Robux. Exactly. Never gonna happen. You can never earn Robux. You can see it. My account is stubborn. Has no Robux. You can see. I'm gonna wrap it up here. Bye guys.